This is a mail call for the 2019 Car Culture Open Track Set H Case on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
Alright, so if you like the videos, you like what we did, hit us up and tell everybody. Subscribe. And don't forget, bang that bell over there so you can get notifications on all the new videos coming up that we put out. Alright, so let's get on with it.
Alright, so here we go. Open track. What is this, the third?
I think it is the third
set. So we had, oh no, it's a second one. So we had the golf set, and now this is open track. Second set.
Something smells weird. Is that from the box? It smells like
Rain.
No. It smells like something like tape or something.
No, it's coming from the...
Oh, it is? Okay,
Yeah.
maybe it's that then.
Did I get it wrong? Is this the third set? No, open track is the second.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's put this box on the side. So here we go. Open track. Here is
God.
the Nissan Skyline GTR.
You know, I don't want to be that guy, but
You know, like the
let's no. Look at the rims again for Car Culture. Really? Like, really, bro? Well, what happened? You had like super plenty stock of that ugly color gray. So you figure you put them on Car Culture product?
But those are white.
Well, then there's White Lightning then.
Audi RS or
Audi.
R8.
I don't know about you, but I'm Audi.
Or it could be any.
How's your belly button? It's an Audi.
Okay, another RS R8. I keep
Oh,
saying
boy.
RS.
Audi is not gonna like us.
All right, Mercedes AMG GT3.
Now, what does AMG stand for?
I know it's I forget.
American made in Germany.
Sure. Mercedes. I know the M is Mercedes something. All right, Mercedes Benz 190E. This one looks pretty cool.
Yeah, that's another Momo.
Momo. And there's two, so here's the second one.
That's a Momo.
You know what? I'm really glad that they put
I thought you were about
even
to.
sets.
I thought you were gonna ding the corner for some reason. I don't know why.
Well, that one is yours. That's why. Acura NSX.
That's the Acura.
Yes. Acura. And the last Acura. NSX. All right.
Now we're not done yet, right?
Not
All
yet.
right, so we're actually gonna open this stuff.
Oh yeah, we're gonna open this
Because we got to get a first-hand look and see how cherry this thing is.
And cherry they are. All right, let's sort these out. Mercedes-Benz AMG GT3, Audi R8,
And the Nissan Skyline with the White Lightning rims.
the Nissan Skyline. All highly sought after, but nothing like this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is number one.
Oh, you know what would be cool? You took your gold rims and you put them on there. Oh, with that paint scheme.
That would
That
be
would
nice.
look freaking wicked.
That would be nice.
Hell
Okay,
yeah.
so let's take a close-up look at this. This probably cost Mattel a lot to make.
Why?
Because the temples are on 1, 2, 3, 4, and the opposite side, 5 sides.
Hence putting the cheapy rims then.
Probably. But you see how the temples wrap around the fenders?
Yeah.
From the fender to the hood? That's not easy to do.
Sounds like a song, from the fender to the hood. You knew she would.
I thought you was going to say from the window to the wall.
From the window to the wall.
Okay, so do I want to keep the card?
Yeah, because that's a nice shot.
It is a nice shot.
It is a nice
But
shot.
I think I might keep probably right about here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just going to...
And it has HKS, which means Hokkaido kills somebody.
Huh?
For all you Kikaida fans, you caught what I said. For those of you that wasn't around when I had Kikaida, well, you don't know what I'm talking about.
That was when?
When I was like 4.
Oh, so I was not around yet. All right, so this is an Advan licensed Nissan Skyline. This is pretty awesome. It almost looks like a whole separate car because of that camel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The gloss on it is nice.
Yeah, it's really.
But it's just the rims just kill it, man.
Yeah, that would be cool if they had like
if it was better looking rims than that. That's
chrome
like,
or something.
yeah, chrome would have been. Oh, that would have set that car off so bad. Like, that only fly off the shelves because it's a Skyline.
Yeah.
But because it had chrome rims, more people would have got it. Oh, that takes a chunk out of the bumper, huh?
Yep.
Of the picture.
Yeah, but I think I'm going to cut that part out.
This is nice.
Yeah.
This Mercedes is nice.
Yeah, this is really nice. Momo has become pretty popular, at least for me, to collect now.
Well, actually, they make good designs. You know what I mean? I mean, can't go wrong.
Nope. Can't go wrong. And they're putting it on some pretty good cars. It's
Yeah.
198.
And of course, Momo backwards is So if you like it is
Here's the AMG GT3. And I know that AMG stands for something.
Yeah, it stands for oh my god.
That would be AMA.
Oh god, you're right. I can't even spell. I suck. Wow, I can't even spell, man. How's that? That's stupid. Staying cool.
Saying cool.
Staying cool, kids.
So this is what, the fourth release of this AMG.
You talking with the main lines too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the mainland
The mainlands.
main lines was what, gray,
It was gray,
blue,
blue. I think there's red.
red. That's right.
Yeah.
The red was my favorite,
Yeah.
I think. But this gray is pretty nice though, and they were able to do the tail lights, which, you know, there's a nice finish on the tail, and temples all the way down the top of that racing stripe. Looks pretty nice. Would I buy one of these? I'd probably get too many tickets because I drive pretty good with my truck. Again, up next, Acura NSX GT3. So this is what, the fourth reincarnation. There's like
Acura.
yeah, it's very similar though between the first release of the NSX and this model.
Yeah.
The early 90s and now. Ooh. I like this color. I like this color a lot.
The paint scheme and the graphics on there, the tampos and everything, makes the car look like it's kind of like there's black mixed into the paint for some reason.
Oh, I think that's supposed to be carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Roof and part of the hood. But it looks nice. Looks cool.
It is. And
If
the black rims go... See, black rims don't match with certain ones. In this situation, they match.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? So they match with this. See, I don't just hate on all of them. You know what I mean? Oh, then you make nice cars, you put ugly rims. Then I get an issue with that.
So it would have been good, I think, if they didn't clear what was supposed to be the carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Because carbon fiber is not glossy, it's just flat. But it looks good, though. I think we'll do an opening of all the NSXs that I got. Okay, last one, but not the least.
The belly button, the Audi.
Audi R8 LMS. This is probably what, the second time I've seen the LMS. I think. I'm not positive because I was mixing
this one, I actually know what it means. LMS is Limited Motorsports. Okay, that sounded really good, but that's not true. You didn't even contradict that. That sounds right.
Yeah, I almost thought it was going to be one of these. But this is not the same. From Project Cars. Almost, but it's not. Wait, this is a BMW. That's the wrong
The
one.
rims on that is nice. I like
That's
those
a
gold rims.
BMW. Let's forget I grabbed the wrong one.
I was like, what are you grabbing that one for? Wow, that's almost the same color scheme.
Yeah.
Like
Almost. But that would be
like almost.
almost.
It is almost the same thing.
Yeah. But it looks pretty good though.
Yeah.
Very similar. Yeah. Very similar. Not the same, but similar.
Well, same black, white, and red.
Yeah. So hopefully, Mattel does a different color maybe with the LMS.
Yeah.
That would be nice. All right. So that is Open Track.
All right. So if you like what we had, share it with everybody. Tell all your friends. Let everybody know what's the scoops. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we thank you guys. I keep merging words together. You know why? Because I'm thinking of... I like eat, bro.
I was just going to say, are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry. But so I was like... So anyway, I'm going to go eat after this. But thank you guys. Really. Me and John, to you guys. For all you guys staying with us, watching us, sticking around. Mucho mahalos for that. Once again, we are...
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
We outies. Yep. You see it right here, right? Toys. It's the 2019 Hot Wheels Open Track Car Culture set. All right. And this is...
Hot Wheels. Sorry.
All right, let's start all over.
No, keep going.
This is a mail call